In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted WhatsApp groups. Before we start, the big takeaway is this. Recovering a WhatsApp group depends on whether you exited the group or simply deleted the chat from your list. Those two actions look similar on your screen, but they're very different behind the scenes. Deleting the chat thread only removes the conversation from your device. You're still a member of the group, and the group still exists. Exiting the group, on the other hand, removes you as a participant. Once you exit, you no longer receive messages and you can't interact with the group unless you're added back. If you chose exit group and then deleted the conversation, there isn't an undelete button. Your membership has been removed and WhatsApp doesn't let you rejoin on your own. The only way back is through a group admin. Reach out to someone you know in that group and ask them to have an admin add you again or send you a fresh invite link. If a link has expired or been disabled, you'll need a new one. Keep in mind, only admins control membership, so you'll need their help. If you didn't exit and you only deleted the chat, the fix is simple. The group is still active for you. It's just hidden because the thread was removed from your chat list. As soon as someone posts a new message in that group, the conversation will pop back into your chats automatically, ready to use. To speed things up, ask any member of the group to drop a quick hello so the thread reappears. You can also use the search bar in WhatsApp and type the group's name. If you're still a member, it should show up in search and you can open it right away. Remember, deleting a chat doesn't erase the group itself. It only clears it from your view until there's new activity. If you're trying to bring back older messages, restoring from a backup can help. Reinstall WhatsApp, verify your phone number, and when prompted, tap Restore to pull your chats from your Google Drive backup. This works only if you previously enabled backups with the same phone number and associated Google account. On iPhone, the same idea applies with iCloud backups. Restoring can recover your group conversations as they existed at the time of your last backup. To wrap up, if you exited, contact a group admin to be re-added. If you only deleted the chat, wait for a new message or search the group name. And if you need history back, restore from your most recent backup.